Good morning. It is Saturday, August the 15th, and this is a severe weather breakdown for eastern Colorado, specifically the Burlington, Colorado area. We're under a level 2 slight risk of severe weather for this afternoon. I thought I would break that down because there is a chance of some severe weather in our area. Hopefully a little better chance of rain than we've had the last couple of days. We seem to have missed out just a few times on some good chances, but that might not be the case today. We might get some good stuff, but there is a chance of severe weather. So the forecast discussion out of the National Weather Service is for the convective outlook is a level 2, a slight risk of severe thunderstorms across the Front Range and onto the high plains and into Kansas and southwest Nebraska. Thunderstorms with severe wind gusts and isolated large hail are possible from late afternoon into the evening across the central high plains. Severe wind gusts may also occur this afternoon through early evening across parts of the Ohio Valley and southeast. But again, this breakdown is for kind of the Burlington area. They have issued a hazardous weather outlook. We'll go through some of that. It's for Yuma, Kit Carson, Cheyenne, and some counties in Kansas also. The hazardous weather outlook is for extreme southwest Nebraska, northwest Kansas, and east central Colorado, including the Burlington area. Strong to severe storms are possible this evening. Wind gusts up to 75 and flash flooding are the main concerns. Large hail generally around 1 inch in diameter, but up to 2 inches, which is pretty good hail, may also occur. The best chance for severe weather is in eastern Colorado, unfortunately for us, while the best chance for flooding is south of Highway 40. Sunday, there was a pretty good chance of severe weather, but that to me looks like it's shifted more towards like the Siebert area. And so I think that out on the far eastern plains, I don't think we have as much of a chance, but hopefully we have a chance for some rain. Looking at the HRRR, which is one of the models I use when I'm chasing, and I will be chasing today, and most likely live streaming that. We see about 6 o'clock. Storms come off the Front Range early, probably like 3 o'clock or so. But by 6 o'clock, there's some pretty good cells lingering around north and south of the Lyman area. What concerns me is we've got a cell that's coming right down I-70 at the Burlington area that shows some pretty significant hail. Granted, it's just an isolated storm, so that may or may not happen. Could be a little north, could be a little south, but the latest run of the HRRR shows it coming right down the highway. So that's at 6 o'clock. It shows it like in the maybe Flagler area. So I would put it out here between 6 and 7. Then what I see looking at this is the storms moving through, the severity of those storms starts to drop probably after 7. I think we start to lose the hail potential then. So if we haven't got hail off of this first storm, I don't think we'll get it. We should get some of this rain that it shows filling in behind this, and then those more severe storms come in around probably 8 or 9 o'clock, and we could get rain up until maybe 11, maybe midnight. And I think the severity, like I said, will be gone after that first cell passes. The severity chances should diminish a lot after 7 o'clock, after that first round of thunderstorms goes through. So I have a live stream storm chase scheduled for 5 o'clock, and I don't know if I'm going to be concentrating on the possibility of this cell coming down interstate, or if we're going to go down to what my original target was around Kit Carson, Colorado, and then working, I think it's Highway 40 where the flooding is, up towards the Lyman area, and then following those storms as they come out along I-70 into our area. Not really sure, going to have to look at the next few model runs to see what happens with that, but there is a live stream scheduled for 5 o'clock. Unless something drastically changes, we'll be live this afternoon chasing storms. Kind of another test run, still working out the kinks in that system, but we're going to get there eventually with that and make it really good. So YouTube at DRB Video, DR Bennett Storm Chaser. You can find me there. And be safe this afternoon. Have a great weekend. Have a blessed weekend. And see you in church tomorrow.